Hey guys, it's Drea. I have a haul for you. This is everything that I bought in the States while I was on my road trip, which I'm really excited to show you because this is stuff that I can't get in Canada, and it was like the perfect excuse to, we were on a road trip anyway, but it was like the perfect timing to get this stuff in the States. So I'm really excited to jump into it. I have Ulta and I have Walmart, and then at the very end, I actually have some stuff from this store called Miniso, which is a Japanese store, which is actually in Canada, but I figured I'd include it in this haul anyway. So let's jump into it. So let's start with Ulta, because that's the most exciting to me. I saw this there, and remember, I don't know if you saw my video about the 42 best items from the drugstore from Good Housekeeping. Anyway, this dry shampoo, the dry shampoo, was included in that, and I had never tried it. I never even heard of it before, so this must be a USA only thing. But anyway, I saw it and it was in a travel size. Like, why not? Let's just try it. So I haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited. And I didn't know which one to get. This one is the tropical scent. Okay, I got a couple palettes here. So exciting. First of all, because there are certain things that are exclusive to Ulta, even if it's a brand that you can get in Canada, which this is one of them. This is from Too Faced. I don't know why the back of this is ripped. This is the Razzle Dazzle Tutti Frutti palette. So this is the purple eyeshadow palette. I was trying not to go crazy because I wanted the pineapple one too with the gold, but I was like, okay, am I actually gonna wear those colors? And the answer is likely, probably not. Wow, I didn't even realize this actually smells like raspberry, like the fake raspberry, but I know, look at it, like, guys, okay, yeah, I'm annoying you, I'm sure. Anyways, I did swatch this in store. I was pretty impressed with it, and these are my favorite type of colors, the purples and that kind of thing. Here's 4 swatches for you. Here's something else. This is from Morphe. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is Bling Boss. Is it supposed to be packaged like this? I guess so. So again, the purples. I don't know why. Purples never really come across on camera. Like, this looks blue, but it's not. It's like a nice deep purple. Oh, that's really... wow, that's actually really impressive. I want to say I swatched it in store, but I might have been so excited that I didn't. I can't even remember. Let's do one of these like pretty kind of peachy shades. Bling Bling. All right, it's not bad. So obviously, once I get settled into whatever house we're gonna end up with, I will be playing with all of these things quite a bit. I feel like these 2 palettes are kind of similar, but that's fine. It was probably Tarababyz, because she's always buying stuff like this, I feel like, and swatching it in a way that makes me want it. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So there's 3 kind of separated areas, and then obviously you can also mix them together. So let's do that. I know it's not the best lighting because this setup is really weird right now, but there's the 3 and then that's mixed together. So we'll see. NYX highlighters are very hit and miss for me. Like, I've had a few that I adore, and then I've had a few that are super chalky and weird. So, but this one, I think, like, I just couldn't really resist it because of the way it looked in the packaging. Okay, it might be a little different. I had to change the battery. Next thing is this from Makeup Revolution. This is the Soph X Extra Spice. I think it's Sophie Does Nails, right? Anyways, I don't really watch her, but I like Makeup Revolution stuff, and I was just looking through their things there, and I was like, I've heard about this palette. I've heard that it's not bad. I would have got the Emily Noel They had the wants, but no, they had the needs, but the needs doesn't really scream to me because it's very basic. I would have bought the wants if they had it, but it was sold out. Anyways, so this one, I was like, let's just give it a try. I really like Makeup Revolution in general for the most part. You know, they do have hit and miss stuff too, but I think for the most part, it's not bad. If I shake the camera, I'm really sorry because, again, weird tripod. Okay, well that silver on the bottom looks pretty promising, but the rest, they're okay in a swatch. They're not blowing me away, but I do think that it's gonna be a fun palette to try out. Anyway, look at the color scheme there. So next is Walmart. First of all, I'm gonna eat some of these in a minute because I'm starving, but I forgot I put these in there. This is Almond Joy, which is my favorite American chocolate bar, and you can sometimes find these in Canada, but I think I found them twice in all my life, so it's very few and far between. That is my favorite chocolate bar from the States. Okay, I don't know what came over me, but I went on kind of an eyelash spree. I was looking at them in Ulta, and it was kind of expensive for them in Ulta, but also I always feel overwhelmed when I look at a whole rack full of eyelashes. I feel like if I look at them individually, I'm cool, I can evaluate them, but if I look at a whole rack, I get so overwhelmed and like, I can't decide. I can't figure this out right now. So I feel like Walmart was a little bit easier for me to navigate lash-wise. First, I saw these e.l.f. eyelashes, and I don't think I've ever seen these in store. Why does that keep falling down? Okay, anyways. We have e.l.f. in Canada, but I've never seen these eyelashes in store. So these are the Luxe Lash Kits, and this one is, well, there's a number at the top. I don't know, but it doesn't say a name anywhere on here, I don't think. This says tweezer included, so I haven't opened it, but anyways, 85084 is the number on those ones, and I thought those were like really just like a perfect kind of wispy. They really remind me of the, I think it's the 812s from Ardell Foam Ink Lashes. And then there's these ones, which is 85080. And these ones are also very wispy and pretty, but like, I don't know, a little bit more natural looking. Then there's these ones from Kiss. These are the Sultry _A. I don't know what that means. And there's two of these. I just like how, again, really wispy and kind of almost messy wispy these ones are. That's kind of my favorite type of lash. These ones are the Ardell Natural 174, which I've never seen these before. So they're shorter, you can tell, than most things, but they still have that flare on the outside that I really like, so I figured I'd try those. And then lastly, for lashes, oh, did the sun just come out a little bit? I got one of the Vegas Nate by Eyelure. I've never tried Eyelure before. These ones are, it says Grand Glamour. That's all I see on here for a name. And I did see a lot of the Eyelure, especially the Vegas Nate ones at Ulta, but again, I always feel like they're so huge and crazy long that I never really wanted to buy them. So I figured these ones are not too crazy. Couple things from Flower Beauty. Flower Beauty is not that cheap, even at Walmart. I mean, for drugstore, it's drugstore, but you know, for drugstore it's a little high. Okay, I know this is not the same one that Casey Holmes used to love because I think that one is discontinued. But this is one of the powders from Flower Beauty. It's the Miracle Matte Translucent Finishing Powder. It comes in their huge, like, honking packaging. But yeah, Miracle Matte, why does, oh, it even feels like slippery. Like it's got powder on it already. So this is the, yeah, just translucent finishing powder, but it says Miracle Matte. So I really want to try that. Let me know if you'd like an all-day wear test with that. I'm not sure if that would make a good all-day wear test, but I figured it's something to definitely try. And then this is something I wanted for a long time. This is the highlighting palette, the Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette. I don't know if there's more than one, but this says SP1 on it. There's 3 different shades. I actually wore this 2 days ago and it was really beautiful. I mixed the 2 lightest shades together. It's like a gold, a pink, and then like a champagne. They're pretty intense. Yeah, they swatch really nicely too. Yeah, they are really, really pretty. I really liked it on the cheek. I'm excited to have this because Flower Beauty left Canada. I remember Emily Noel talking about either these or something like this. These are from Swisspers. These are the mini blending sponges. They really remind me of, like, obviously the mini beauty blender or even the little minis from Quo that I love. So I want to try those out. I have also here a lip scrub from Eco Lips. I haven't opened it yet. It's the vanilla bean. I needed a lip scrub anyway. I haven't had one in years, and especially with winter coming up, my lips do get dry a lot. And then I was super excited because I found this. This is the Pumpkin Spice Burt's Bees lip balm. I didn't even smell it, I just bought it. There's a plane flying by. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like pumpkin spice. Like, I didn't know if I was expecting it not to, but I'm just verifying that it does smell like pumpkin spice. Okay, two last things here, and then we'll move on to Miniso. This is one of the Wet n Wild highlighters. This is in the shade Botanic Dream, which I've never seen before. And I didn't swatch it yet, but I just saw it and I was like, well, I'm sure it'll be great, because Wet n Wild highlighters are really great. So let's see. So it looks like kind of like a pinky lilac, very shiny. They're always usually pretty intense, these Wet n Wild ones. So that's cool. And then also this from CoverGirl. I'm pretty sure I've seen these before at Walmart's, but I just thought I'd pick it up. Anyways, this is the Peach Punch Blush, peach scented. And I didn't smell it, so let's smell it. Oh yeah, okay. It definitely smells like peach. And then this one, is it matte or shimmer? It looks matte. I don't usually love CoverGirl face products, like blushes and that kind of thing, but I figured I'd try it, especially with the peach scent. I was like, yeah, they got me with that. It looks pretty nice though. It's just a nice matte peach that looks like it would go with a lot. So here is the stuff from Miniso. And if you've never seen one of these stores before, it's a really interesting store. They have so much stuff, like so many departments of different things. A huge component though is like Japanese, Korean beauty products. So beauty products, skincare, makeup is a huge like chunk of it. We did buy a lot of other stuff though, like they have electronics, like stuff you would probably buy more for traveling, like phone chargers, power banks, cables, like headphones. They have like baby toys. They have like lots of cool snacks that are, you know, from Japan. Plush toys, I don't know, clothes. They had so much stuff in this store. I went back twice because I was just like so excited. But the stuff that I'm going to show you obviously is more makeup and skincare related. This is the Lily Daisy Reviving Spray Watery. I remember back when, what store is that? I can't remember what it's called. It was a really cool Korean beauty store that was in my mall and they shut down. I guess people were not interested enough, but it was also right across the way from Sephora. Anyway, they had these kind of aerosol facial sprays and I loved them. Okay, this one is not aerosol. It's more like this kind. But yeah, I used to love like spraying my face with these type of things. Usually like especially if you have an office job at like 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock when you're like got those like that kind of feeling and you just spray your face with this, it just makes you feel so refreshed, more than like a chocolate bar would or even a cup of coffee. The whole theme, and I guess their mascot, is the Pink Panther, which is so random because I remember growing up with the Pink Panther, but you don't see the Pink Panther really anymore. Like kids don't know who he is, but they had Pink Panther plush toys like everywhere in the store, and then some of their makeup had a Pink Panther theme, so I had to get this. So this is the Miniso double-ended liquid eyeliner with tattoo stamp. So it has an eyeliner and then it has a little like the paws, which is like a tattoo stamp, and I'm like, when am I ever going to use that? But I don't know. I figured this would be the kind of thing. This even has an expiry date on it. Expires November 20th, 2020. Anyway, this would be the kind of thing that would be fun to test out on my channel. So I will do that because I think that would be amazing. Or amazing, I don't know, I think it'd be fun. Anyways, they also had LA Girl, which is a brand that is so hard to find in Canada. It's just kind of here and there, but I got this. This is one of the iLux Mesmerizing eyeshadow quads. I have a purple one that I love. I think the quality of it is amazing. So I was like, okay, let's get another one. This one is in the shade Harmonize, and it's got 2 metallics and then 2 mattes. Just really neutral, basic colors. There were so many to choose from. I felt, again, kind of overwhelmed. So I just went with gut instinct. And I feel like this one is really good. I feel like those colors are just really wearable and they look really promising. Lastly, I have a bunch of like masks. That was the thing. They had so much skincare. I would have bought like more moisturizers and toners and that kind of thing. Traveling across country in a car with dogs and kids, there's like very limited room. So if I'm ever back in one of those stores, I think I will go ham in the skincare section. But for now, I just got some masks. I got this Nourishing Hand Mask, which there's 2 in them. And these are all super affordable. Like, I'm pretty sure I didn't pay more than $3 for any one of these things. So there's 2 like separate hand masks, which are always good in the winter time. And then these, the first time I went, I bought one and then I tried it. I loved it. And then I bought another one the second time I went back. So this is apparently like a cartoon on the Cartoon Network, which I don't know, but it's the We Bare Bears Abundant Moisture like eye mask. So it's one that's literally like one piece and it goes like around your eyes like this with holes to see out of, but they are super moisturizing. So I don't know what the difference is between these two, but there's 2 different colors. And I got this one the first time, I got this one the second time, but I was like, they are amazing. So I knew I needed more after using it the first time. So there was 6 in each of them. And again, I think I paid like $3 for each box. I'm not sure when my next video is going to be. I don't think I'm gonna film in this Airbnb again because I have like no real lighting and it was really tough to put this setup together. I really wanted to film in the kitchen, which is beautiful, the nice chandelier and like country kitchen. It's so pretty, but the lighting was atrocious. So anyways, this is the best I could do temporarily. But I hope that you enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you'd like to see any type of videos in particular with any of these products. If you missed my Sephora VIP sale haul, it's the one that I filmed right before this. So I'll link to that as well. And subscribe if you're new because I am going to be, once I get settled into my new house, putting out a lot more content, makeup related, of course. And that's it for today. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.